today's video, I'm going to be doing the first video of a two-part little series for you that is for a contest that Double Dip is doing through TikTok. So if you have a TikTok account, which I also want to announce I am making a TikTok account, so if you are on TikTok and you've been wondering where I was, I will be there. I will put a link to my TikTok in the description box below, and I will start posting videos, I don't know, frequently, maybe, hopefully, we'll see how it goes. I'm running out of time during my day, but anywho. This contest is so you have a tip kit from Double Dip that you can get on Amazon, and I'll put a link to that Amazon kit in the description box below. And then after you have that kit, you use the kit to make a celebrity nail art. Today, I'm just gonna be showing you how to apply those tips. It'll be a quick, easy video, a little instructional. I hope you guys find it helpful, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Before we move on to the tutorial, here is some rules for the contest. You have to purchase the Bellavina tip kit on Amazon, link below, submit the entrance form on Double Dip's website, link also below, use that kit to recreate your favorite celebrity nail art, share a picture of whatever nail art you're recreating, as well as a little video of the nails that you made on TikTok with the hashtags celebdipnails, magic gel, and tag Double Dip nails, and then publish the video from the end of June, so the 31st of June through the 7th of July. And you can also share it on your other social media to try to accumulate as many views and as much interaction as you can. And there will be 10 winners that will be announced first, and then they will get a small prize, and then the 3 grand prize winners, which will be announced after that, will get a bigger prize. And they're giving away the prizes add up to $10,000. It is a huge amount of prizes giving out. So it's just a really exciting contest. There is a lot to look forward to. It's just one of those that I would recommend entering just for the sake of you never know. So I will put all the information down below. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I have a lot of information on this contest, that a lot of questions that you may have, different things, timelines, etc. So if you have any questions, let me know. And otherwise, let's see how we apply these tips just to get started. So after my nails have been prepped, cuticles pushed back, all of that great stuff, I'm going to just cleanse my nails. They have been, like I said, fully prepped. I've trimmed my cuticles. I've used a cuticle bit to remove any dead skin cells that are left behind on my nail plate. My acrylics are removed, and I'm just using a nail cleanser to really, really scrub these, make sure that they are nice and clean. After that's done, I'm going to be applying the nail dehydrator. You're basically doing the exact same prep steps as if you were to be applying a set of hard gel nails or a set of acrylic nails. It's the same exact thing. I know some people don't do everything that they would do for acrylics if they're doing, say, just a gel manicure. They might do a couple steps differently, but don't think of this